Kumusta mga kaisla? Drini here, and today we have another Mini-itx case featuring another Silverstone SG13. Well, another SG13 because this case is quite popular for those entering the small form factor community. And because of its price, compared to the premium ITX cases, this case is really bang for the buck. This build is for my friend living in Liliw, Laguna. Well, he never had his own PC. He's been using a laptop ever since. So, hopefully, with the current situation of our country, we could bring this to Liliw, Laguna, along with my friend Mayro K. So, please follow my friend in Facebook and maybe here on YouTube in the future. So I'll just link his channel or his Facebook page here. So let's build this. done building this SG13. So if you're planning to use the same graphics card as I did, it's gonna be a little bit tricky since the height of the graphics card is just exactly the same height as the space needed inside the case. So before installing it, remove the motherboard and place the graphics card in and place it back to the case. Since if you don't do that, the graphics card will be hitting the top bracket and it's gonna be impossible installing it. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the subscribe and like button. I would really appreciate it. Stay safe and catch you on the next one, mga kaisla.